Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to send and receive SMS using Python. So for this project we will be requiring two Python libraries mainly. The first one is the Twilio library and the second one is Flask library. We are going to use Flask App for our project. Twilio library works in the background to bridge the gap between web-based applications and telephones. Twilio is the API which provides a simple entry point into the telephony world. Developers can build the softwares on internet using technology they already know. Twilio provides us an API using which we can interact with the world of telecommunication. In this case, we are going to use Python to develop our Twilio application. So first of all, we will see how Twilio works. Here is my Twilio dashboard. I have this trial number in my account and I can send messages from this number. This is how Twilio dashboard looks. Now we'll see how outbound SMS in Twilio works. Basically, you have your app, we have Twilio in the background, and then we have your phone where message will be received. So we create a Python app to send HTTP requests and messages to Twilio app. Our Twilio app works in the background and sends SMS to our phone. Basically, Twilio bridges the gap between our application and the telephony world. We need two credentials from Twilio. That is, first one is account seed and second one is auth token. Here we have account SID and we have auth token. I have copied both of them. I'll be using Sublime Text to edit my code. I have pasted these credentials in this my token file. In this my token file, basically I have two credentials, that is account SID and second one is auth token. The credentials are supposed to be hidden or it's for the security purpose, so I'll not be showing you the tokens. Okay, first of all we will be installing Twilio library into our system. I have already installed the Twilio library, so the requirements are already satisfied. Now I have created a file called message.py. So I have imported Twilio library and imported a client class from that library, and I have also imported the credentials from my token file. So I have imported account SID, auth token, and also have imported my phone number which we'll be using to send the messages. So yes, let's go ahead and create Twilio client using client object. So what we will be doing is we will be creating Twilio client using client object we have imported from Twilio library. We will be passing account SID and auth token to this client. After creating client object, I'll be writing a code to send message. Let's pass few parameters named to, where I'll be putting my phone number. And from variable I'll be putting the number which is given by Twilio. I'll be putting this number in the from section. I'll be writing body for my message. So let's write, hey there, how you doing? Okay, so this is the body for my message, and now I'll be saving this file, and let's run my file, send SMS. My file send SMS is been run, and I have you can see I have received a message saying, hey there, how you doing? In this screenshot you can see that I have received a message saying, hey there, how you doing, which I have sent from my, yeah. So after learning how to send SMS, now we will see how to receive SMS, controlled or maybe managed by Twilio account. So here is the flow, how the message is being received from our Twilio account. So first of all, you have user who sends you text to your Twilio number. Then the Twilio backend sends HTTP request to your app, and your app returns a data structure called TWIML, that is similar to XML, which has the text of message which is to be to the user sent to the user back. It sends the message back to the user. So this is how inbound SMS system in Twilio works. So after creating send message.py file, and after learning how to send message from Twilio app using Python, I will be learning how to receive message, which is managed by Twilio, and then how to reply that message again. So for that I have created receive message.py file. I have imported Flask library here because we are going to use Flask app to create our receive message.py app. So I have also imported a library called messaging response from Twilio. So messaging response object, we will be using it for responding the message we received from the user. And the third thing and grok I have imported because we need to deploy this file on some online server. So yes, I'll be telling you more about that later. So now let's start creating our app. I'll be creating Flask app first. Now I have created a Flask app. Let's define app.root. In that, let's define /SMS root. I'll be defining methods for our URL, including get and post both. Okay, now let's define SMS reply method. This method we are going to use this method to reply to the SMS we have received from the user. So let's create an object of messaging response class, and let's define a message. Let's define a message which we will be sending out So I'll be defining a message saying I am great too. Okay, so this is the body of message we will be sending out. Now let's return the string version of our message. Now I'll be running our app. With app.run. Now I'll be writing one more line here, run with ngrok. So I'll be running our Flask app with ngrok. Normally if we run the Flask app on our command prompt, it's hosted on our local host, but for this, in this case, we will be requiring, we will need to host our app on some online server. So that's why I am using ngrok system. You can host this app on any other service like Heroku or anything, but I am using ngrok here. Now let's run this file again to see the response. So we have our app running on this URL and also on the local host. So let's copy this URL, which will be we will require to set in our Twilio settings. So I'll be in this a message comes in webhook. We will be defining our own URL, which we copied from the command prompt, and we'll be adding /SMS there, and we'll save this. And now you can see that I have sent a message saying, hello, I'm good, what about you, on my Twilio number. And yes, you can see that I have received the message, and I have, yes, you can see that our Twilio app replied with I am great, to which we have defined in this body. So yes, this is how you can send messages using Twilio. You can receive messages, and then you can customize the reply to those messages. I hope you find this video useful and you like it. Thank you so much.